Well, it is Friday, and I am back in the office. I was in Atlantic County, New Jersey this morning. Then I was in Salem County, New Jersey in the afternoon. And now I am back in Morristown, New Jersey. So all in New Jersey today for some different matters, pretty much all over the state. So with that said, it is Friday. It is the weekend. We did come out with our weekly e-update. We turned out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some great topics in that e-update. In addition, I'll be coming out with some articles this weekend regarding breath testing and blood tests and refusals. And it's an important issue because most people don't understand that refusals are no longer a criminal offense in Pennsylvania when it comes to a blood refusal. New Jersey really doesn't do blood testing when it comes to DWIs, but the refusal isn't a criminal offense, but it can result in an administrative penalty, which is the suspension of a driver's license for a year. PennDOT can do that. And I put in that article kind of what you need to think about when you're stopped for suspicion of DUI and why I advise you to take that blood test and not refuse it. Because what happens in the civil side of a license suspension and the criminal side are two different things. And regardless of what happens in criminal court, your license can be suspended in a civil proceeding or just a civil suspension through PennDOT. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In addition, I'll be coming out with an article in New Jersey regarding the possession of a weapon by a certain person, otherwise known as a prohibited person in Pennsylvania, and what that looks like in terms of mandatory minimum sentencing. New Jersey makes a distinction with regards to weapons and firearms and handguns. Now, the handgun and the firearm, when it's possessed by a certain person or a prohibited person, a person who usually has a prior conviction for a felony type offense, usually a violent felony offense, that triggers a mandatory minimum sentence in the state of New Jersey. It is a crime of the second degree, where it is not a firearm or a gun. It's a crime of the fourth degree, and there's no mandatory minimum. There is no Graves Act triggered from that type of offense. In addition, I'll be coming out with some more articles regarding juvenile offenses in New Jersey, explaining that process, and I'll work in the process in Pennsylvania in a later blog article. But a lot coming out this weekend from our law firm. We understand that an educated client is in the best possible position to get a great result in their case. In addition, we did come out with the e-update today. So again, check that out. It's been shared on social media if you're not on our list. Now, the list you can sign up for it at gamebonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is Friday. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. Be respectful to the officer, but don't consent to the search of your property or your vehicle. Just be respectful, give the officer your license registration. That's it. Don't volunteer any information. But again, if you are arrested, contact an attorney and give us a call at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great weekend. Please be safe, and I'll talk to you all very soon.